This vlog will discuss emerging issues faced by the data center industry and how they're trying to address this issue. Data center equipment was typically designed and built by vendors using proprietary design and components. This made it difficult for the data center operators to compare and select equipment based on performance, energy efficiency, or cost. To address this issue, Facebook started the Open Compute Project, or OCP, in 2011. The company had been building its own data centers and servers and had developed a more efficient and cost-effective approach to designing and building data centers hardware. Facebook decided to share its hardware design and specification with the wider community, and the OCP was established as an open source project to develop and promote open hardware design for data center equipment. The OCP is now promoting an open source platform for sharing hardware designs and specification, allowing data center operators to select and deploy equipment that met their specific needs. One of the areas or focus for the Open Compute project is a server power supply. Traditionally, server power supply can be inefficient and costly. So the OCP has developed a set of specifications of power supplies that are more efficient, modular, and easier to service. The OCP power supply specification include the use of high-efficiency AC to DC conversion stage, which can convert up to 96% of the incoming AC power into usable DC power. The power supplies are also designed to be the host swappable, meaning that they can be replaced without shutting down the server, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. By adopting the OCP power supply specification, data centers can reduce their energy consumption, lower their carbon footprint, and save money on electricity bills. The OCP also provides a platform for companies to collaborate and innovate in the design of data center hardware, ultimately benefiting the entire industry. Security is also a critical concern for data centers, and the OCP has taken several steps to address this issue in its power supply designs. The OCP has developed secure power supply designs that incorporate a variety of security features including hardware-based encryption, tamper-evident seals, and secure firmware updates. One of the primary goals of the OCP secure power supply design is to prevent unauthorized access to the data center equipment. The secure power supply are designed to be tamper-evident, which means that any attempt to physically access the power supply will result in visible damage to the tamper-evident seals. This makes it easy to detect any attempts to tamper with the power supplies and ensure that any such attempts are immediately reported. In addition to the tamper-evident seals, the OCP secure power supply also incorporates hardware-based encryption. This ensures that any communication between the power supply and the server is secure and data is protected from interception or manipulation by an authorized party. Overall, the OCP secure power supply design helps to ensure that data centers operate in a secure environment and that any attempts to tamper with or compromise the power supply are quickly detected and reported. Open source compute project has addressed several problems faced by the data center industry, including high cost and inefficiency of traditional hardware, energy consumption and carbon footprint, and security challenges. The OCP has created an open source platform for sharing hardware design and specification that are more efficient, modular, and secure, providing data centers operators with a more flexible and cost-effective approach to deploying and managing their infrastructure.